Hey everybody, hold on, let's see if it's recording. Okay, so this video is gonna be very dark, but what it basically is we're gonna do the old style whipped cream in the hand. Now, let's go investigate. Come on. It's very loud, Madison, so be careful. We'll just go for it. That's my blanket, by the way, Madison. Oh, she was just like... You still videotaping? Yeah. You gave her the... Do you like my ginger? His name is George/Fluffy/Bubbles. He's awesome. Oh my god. That's what I just did. What should we say? I can read it. What should we say? She did the worst cream ever. There's cream right here. You're supposed to put it on her face, not her head. She was just like... Actually, no, it's supposed to go like this. Yeah. Did you tickle her on her face? No. Oh. She turned her hand over before I could try. So, that was the fail. Okay. George, are like gonna go right now, so I'll be back in a millisecond. Wait, no, okay, fine. Oh. So, Ginger's George. A random person gave it to us. This is George. I thought it was Ginger. It was George and Ginger. But then you have the session. So it can't be Ginger. What? But we have the session, so it can't be Ginger. Oh yeah, you were having your sesh. And Ginger means orange, so. Okay. Say bye to everybody. Bye. Say bye. Justin Lovers. Say the Bieber Bulls are awesome too. Bieber Bulls. And Justin Lovers. I would tell you mine, but I don't have one. And Kendall and Kylie Jenner. Yeah, them too. Yeah. And the Kardashian Lovers are awesome too. Yeah. That's me. And say bye. George, say bye. George? Yeah, George. Bye.